Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Mixtures in which the components are uniform are known as homogeneous mixtures. What does this mean? It means if you take a spoon of lime juice from the top or bottom of the glass, you will always get the same juice with the same taste. The taste remains uniform throughout the juice. Hence, we can say that the components of a homogeneous mixture are uniform throughout. Let us look at some more examples of homogeneous mixtures. Air is a mixture of many gases. The particles of all gases are distributed uniformly in the air. Bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. We cannot distinguish or identify copper and tin separately in a sample of bronze. Steel is a mixture of iron and carbon. Iron and carbon are distributed uniformly in these steel pipes. Mixtures in which components are not uniform are known as heterogeneous mixtures. It means that if you dip a spoon in the muddy water, sometimes you will get mud and sometimes you will get water. The mud particles settle at the bottom and can be seen clearly. Hence, we can say that the components of a heterogeneous mixture are not uniform throughout. Some more examples of heterogeneous mixtures are a mixture of oil and water, which is not uniform and hence is a heterogeneous mixture. Vegetable noodles have different ingredients, most of which can be picked out by hand. Hence, it is a heterogeneous mixture. Salad has different vegetables mixed in it, which can be picked out by hand. Hence, it is an example of a heterogeneous mixture. If the components of a mixture can be easily picked out by hand, then the mixture is a heterogeneous mixture. If not, it is a homogeneous mixture. There is no visible boundary of separation between the components of a homogeneous mixture. For example, though lemon juice is a mixture of lemon and water, they cannot be seen separately, and all that can be seen is the lime juice. There is a visible boundary of separation between the components of a heterogeneous mixture. In the muddy water, you can distinctly see both the water and the solid mud particles. Let's quickly recap the differences between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. The components of homogeneous mixtures are uniform. The components of heterogeneous mixtures are not uniform. No visible boundary of separation exists between the components of homogeneous mixtures. There is a visible boundary of separation between the components of heterogeneous mixtures. Lemonade is an example of a homogeneous mixture. Lemon juice and water cannot be seen separately in the lemonade. Muddy water is an example of a heterogeneous mixture. The solid mud particles and water can be seen separately. Some other examples of homogeneous mixtures are copper sulfate solution, bronze, and soda water. Some other examples of heterogeneous mixtures are salad, iron filings mixed with sulfur powder, or a mixture of oil and water.